What's up, y'all? It's Fabulous Zoe, and I'm coming to you today with my wash day routine for my dry type 4 transitioning hair. I've been transitioning for 1 year and 1 month. As you can see, my hair is extremely dry and a little bit tangled. So let's get right into the video. I'm going to start by sectioning my hair into 4 sections. This makes it easy to detangle, wash, and style. I'm going to be stretching my hair so these 4 sections will work perfectly for the style that I'm going for. Next, I just try to saturate my hair with water. My hair isn't naturally dry. It's only dry because I haven't taken care of it in the last few days. But when my hair is dry like this, it takes a while to get water absorbed into my hair. I'm going to wet the other sections so that the water is already absorbed by the time I get to those sections. Next, I'm going to take this Garnier Whole Blends Honey Treasure Conditioner. I use 3 pumps on each section, and this is the most important step of this routine. I condition first so that I can detangle and to give my hair some moisture and strength before I add the shampoo. Shampoo can strip your hair, and you don't want to strip something that's already dry. So I condition first as a protective layer. With the conditioner still in my hair, I take that wide tooth comb that you just saw and I comb through my hair each section from the bottom to the top. I use the top tooth of the comb to pull down more hair as I go, and I continue to comb through the section until the entire section can be combed through completely with no snags. So I just do this over every section of my hair until everything is detangled. I slowed this clip down to be able to show how much new growth compared to relaxed hair I had. So when my hair is dry, I don't get much definition in my curls, so it's hard to tell my texture in this video, but if you want a general idea of what my curl pattern is, you can look at that one curl on the left by my ear. So this is just my hair with the conditioner. I don't let it sit in my hair long because this is mainly for detangling purposes. So I rinse the conditioner out and I don't worry about rinsing it out completely. The shampoo I use is the Aussie Mega Moist shampoo. I usually use the matching shampoo to the conditioner, but that one is more stripping than this one, so I don't recommend it for dry hair. I usually wash my hair one section at a time, but for some reason I decided to wash these two together. I ain't gonna lie and say that I focus the shampoo on my roots because I don't. I put the shampoo all over my hair and I part my hair and scratch each section. I don't use my fingertips either. I actually scratch my hair because honestly, I'm not gonna have a half clean head trying to save a couple strands. After I rinse my hair, I separate the two sections again because it's just easier for me. And I did the other two sections individually like I normally would. After shampooing is done, I go back in with conditioner into all four sections like I did in the first. And right here, I'm just trying to show the line of demarcation again. I let this sit for about 5 minutes and then I rinse it all out. And this is my hair completely washed, detangled, and rejuvenated. So next I prepare my hair to be styled. I start with the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Detangler and leave-in conditioner, and I spray quite a bit in each section and I comb it through. Next, I apply the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. Even though I'm not going to be twisting my hair, this product is a decent moisturizer. So I spread this evenly throughout my hair and comb it into a ponytail. I repeat this to every section until I'm done. There's honestly no point for this clip. I just wanted to show y'all how happy I be when I realize my hair grew. So like I said before, I'll be stretching my hair, and I'm going to do that using scrunchies. I use about 3 scrunchies per section, and I'm just tying them as tight as possible down the length of my hair. And I repeat this to every section. So this is the finished product. I don't know why I was feeling myself, but I was. As always, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified when I post new videos. Bye!